down the pole. Woo! I said to sand it. Somebody needs to sand it.
Let's go back here. How about you guys? Come on up, won't you? What's your name, darling?
Cynthia.
Cynthia. Let's have a hand for Cynthia. And I need one more person. How about you, baby? Come on up. What's your name?
Nicole.
Nicole. Let's hear it for Nicole. How you doing tonight, man? Hi, Nicole.
Hi.
Hi. Come with me, my darling, toward that magical area known as the stage, where the focus of the entire MGM Grand Hollywood Theater will be upon you and the improvisers you're going to work with. I'm going to put you over here next to Ryan. Cynthia. I'm going to put you here with Chip. This is what's going to happen. We're going to perform a scene full of action and danger, intrigue, and adventure. And you guys will be providing all the sound effects in the scene. Cynthia, you'll be doing all the sound effects for Mr. Chip Esten here. And Nicole, you'll be doing all the sound effects for Mr. Ryan Stiles.
Okay.
So let's practice once. Let's see, Cynthia, if Chip was going to kick a football into a pane of glass, it might sound like what? And then the glass?
In the window.
Crash!
There we go. That's how that...
Help me!
Nicole, the bar is definitely pretty high. If Ryan was going to load a gun and fire it, it might sound like what? Whoa, 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 whoa. You know, usually it's men who go off before anything else. Tonight we got two women who can't wait. I just want to know something. Can I pick volunteers or can I pick volunteers?
You can indeed.
And how about from you, young lady? A dangerous occupation two people might have. Fireman. Godspeed. Here we go. Fireman.
Let's go down the pole. Woo! I told you, lubricate your thighs. I said to sand it. Somebody needs to sand it.
No, it doesn't need sanding.
It's wooden.
Lubricate your thighs.
You lubricate your thighs.
Come here, Spot. Come here, Spotty.
You call that a fire dog? This is a big old fire dog. Here, boy.
Well, let me check in with downtown, make sure there's no emergencies. Downtown.
Feedback.
Again, I just step away from the rhythm. Downtown. Downtown, can you hear me? Over.
Let me try it.
Not working for me.
Come in, downtown. Can you hear me?
Yes.
Are you there, downtown?
I'm here.
Yes. I'm afraid.
Let's just forget that. Oh, there's the alarm.
The alarm.
Oh, hey.
It's raining, man.
Let's go put out that fire. All right, we're gonna wrap up the hose.
Let's get in the fire truck.
My door's wet. Come here, boy. Let's go.
I'll start her up. It's the Scooby-Doo 5000. Smooth ride. Can you turn the siren on?
Yeah. That shouldn't be going off. That should be continuous.
Yeah.
Oh my God, there's someone on the top story yelling for help.
And another person. Oh my gosh. It's that guy from Taxi.
All right, are you ready to jump?
You need the megaphone. Come on, ask him.
I'm sorry.
Turn it on.
It's not working for me.
Oh, let me try it.
Shouldn't it be saying something?
You're ready to jump.
You ready to jump?
This is coming in handy, by the way. You know what, as a matter of fact?
Boom! 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 Boom!
Yes. Look, I know how to make them jump.